And the minute he announces, or the minute they announce the replacement, that will probably be a catalyst for the market to go up. So, if you ask me, is the market rigged? It absolutely is rigged, and I just want it to be rigged in your favor. And I'm just telling you what I see. I'm not telling you what my opinion is on it. All right. So, what else? The only opinion I will share is that I don't think it's appropriate. I think that there's more civil ways to run economic policy, and I think that there's a long-term price America will pay. But in the short term, I just want to see some more money in your bank account because I care about you and your family. I don't care about these other people. All right. So what else? Um, Another reason the market took a dip is because of the weak economy. The economy is weakening. We mentioned that a second ago. And then also there's like some what they call profit taking. So people have been making so much money. The last few months, it's just been like Christmas for everybody. And so what happens is eventually, especially when there's a little dip, people say, "Oh, let me go ahead and sell so I can get out before this happens." Now, here's the thing: if you understand other tools like selling stock options or buying put options and stuff like that, then you can stay invested with and still be you can stay protected, but stay invested. A lot of people think the only way to protect yourself is to take all your money off the table. No, what you do is you shave. You just kind of shave it down. So you have a stock, you put 5,000 into it, you lucked out, it went up to $8,000. Maybe you take the $3,000 out and keep the original five in there. That way you're still there in case there's more, but you have sort of locked in some of those gains, that you had and while the getting was good. Or another thing that we talk about a lot in terms of options is selling a deep out of the money call options. When you do that, then that allows you to get some profits from the speculation that's behind the stock. When everybody's speculative and everybody expects the stock to keep going up, there are some people who don't know investing the way you do. And I say the way you do because you probably know more. If you've come to class 10 times, you know more than probably 80-90% of the population. So most people don't know the things that you know about what the market does. They become what's called momentum traders, or they follow the herd. Remember, we do a lot of the research we did with one of my dissertation committee members. His name was David Hirschleifer, one of the nicest people in the world. Yeah, you always remember the white men who were nice to you, because unfortunately, if you're a white man, just y'all kind of mean sometimes. But he was one of the nicest people ever, and I just love this man. And he used to study. He convinced me in his research that people just are sheep, that people just follow the crowd for whatever reason. Even when you tell them, like, don't follow the crowd is wrong. People will just follow the crowd, and there's various reasons. There's safety in the crowd. I feel like I want to fit in, right? And so I realized, I said, the best way for me to be successful is to give up my need to fit in. Right. And if you can let go of your need to fit in, let go of your need to be liked by everybody or to be accepted by idiots, then you can go and you can be free. You get freedom and you can have more success because you're the person that trusts yourself enough. You inform yourself and then you trust your opinion and your instinct. And you say, everybody says go right, but I think I need to go left. I'm going to go left and I'm going to be okay with that. That's a superpower that will unlock possibilities for you. Because if you look in America right now, and generally speaking, the average American that gets up and goes to work every day, goes to work, gets up, goes to work, comes home, goes to bed, get up, go to work, come home, go to bed, get up, go to work, come home, go to bed. That person is not really doing that great. They're not. If you ask them like, how are things going?